Going down.
Aye, Captain.
Dive. Dive. Trim about diving planes, 3 degrees.
Diving planes, 3 degrees now.
Take it out easy. Catch her at 10 fathoms. Speed 06 at 1.5 knots. Steer 30 degrees. All ahead full. Steady as she goes. As we leave the coast behind and head towards open water, you'll notice that this is a popular spot for divers searching for exotic runners. 20 degrees. Set course directly over the Lost City.
Oh, look at the fish.
Wow, he's a big one.
Lost City, dead ahead, sir.
Thanks. Stand by for weather watch.
Radar 1, standing by.
Our destination today is quite extraordinary, a newly erupting deep water volcano. Even here in the shallows, we can see evidence of such geothermal forces constantly at work. You can tell by our surroundings that they can make some pretty dramatic changes to the landscape. Remnants of an ancient civilization were hidden for centuries beneath the ocean floor. Hidden until unearthed by a tremendous
I'm recording and I
volcanic
can take a
event.
picture. I can take a picture while I'm recording. I guess we can,
Steer 40 degrees.
Right rudder, 40 degrees.
Mind your distance to port and starboard.
Aye, aye, sir.
As we leave this long-lost community behind, we're about to enter a community of a different kind, the coral reef. The colourful reef that surrounds us is a biological community that thrives in warm, shallow waters. It usually takes more than a year for a coral to grow only 1 inch. An amazing fact when you consider that Australia's Great Barrier Reef stretches over 2,000 kilometres.